Hello everyone, it's happy to see you all with this lip vitiligo video. I hope you are all safe and healthy. So in this video we are going to show you the live progress and techniques of lip vitiligo. So many of them suffering by lip vitiligo, even some of the people who go for the allopathy or homeopathy treatments, but the lip vitiligo is a much more harder one to be treated. So we are in Machu Tattoos. We are making a permanent solution for this lip vitiligo, but the one thing is, first we'll recommend you to go ahead with the patch test, as it is in the normal vitiligo process. So when you do this patch test, you can get to know how the output is gonna come out. So after the patch test, 1 month is the healing period. So this lip vitiligo we have done to the many clients, and the clients from the different states and the different countries coming here and getting this vitiligo treatment process, getting it done. So many of them in a comment session, many of them telling like it's look like a tattooing process, all those things. So if this is the tattooing process, if this process seems like to be look like a tattooing process, then why the clients comes from all over the India and different countries? Because there are a lot of tattoo studios, right? So everybody can do it, right? So that is the mistake that everybody does. This is not just like a normal tattooing process, and every artist can't able to do this. It obviously requires the special skill, and our artist Suresh Machu, he can able to do this perfectly. So you need to choose the best tattoo place. Not only the best tattoo place, we are doing this from past 11 years till now. We are much more experienced this lip vitiligos as well as the normal vitiligo process. For him, we have already done the vitiligo skin pigmentation process on the hands, fingers as well as the legs. So that time it's got healed perfectly, and after 1 month now he want to continue to do on the lip also. So we have proven the result that this process gives the best output in the permanent solution to the longer duration. So if you guys have any more doubts, we have attached our contact number in this display. You can call to that number, and we have attached our location in the description. Click that location link, you will get to know we have a lot more different branches, but we do this micropigmentation skin treatment only on the Bangalore branch. So feel free to contact us. Our team will be help you out what will be the process goes and the comes down. So stay tuned till the end of the video. We'll be show you the final output of this lip vitiligo pigmentation. So I am signing off, and we'll be meet up in the next video. Stay tuned, subscribe our channel for the more updates. Don't die nude.